What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. In this video, we're going to talk about XRP. Guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. And if you guys want to follow me on Rumble, make sure you check out the link to Rumble down in the description. But let's talk about XRP a little bit, because when we look at XRP getting to way higher prices, we understand that it takes time. I know people want to see things that happen right away. They want to see it happen overnight. They want to see that their overall position or their overall balance is at $100,000 or $1 million tomorrow. And everybody has that dream where they wake up and crypto is absolutely exploded, because usually the busy time in the markets are around 3 to 4 a.m. Let's say 3 to 5 a.m., right? Where everybody's investing, a bunch of people are making moves, but for some reason, a lot of people in the US are asleep. So majority of those moves happen outside of the US. Anyways, that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to talk about $149 of a price, $1,000 of a price, $10,000 of a price. If you believe that XRP can get to that point, it's not something that will happen tomorrow. It's definitely the long game. And we need to talk about that in this video. It makes it super interesting to me to see all the different price predictions that are out there and exactly where we all believe that they will go to, right? We all have a different mindset. And, that's what's interesting. Speaking of interesting things, thank you to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. If you guys are looking to gain something extra on your XRP, this would be a place to be able to do that. Cryptonomy is a venture fund, a trading organization, a crypto credit company. You could use it as a crypto wallet, a staking platform, or you can use their flagship product, which is the Launchpool. So I recently joined Cryptonomy, and I want to show you exactly how you can start easily earning right now. It's honestly pretty simple to use. All you have to do is start by making a deposit into your Cryptonomy wallet. That could be in the form of ETH, BTC, XRP, Dash, LTC, SHIB, and the list goes on. After you make your deposit, go over to the interest earned account. And you'll find 3 different options: flexible, fixed, and Launchpool. That's one thing I like about Cryptonomy, is how flexible it actually is. Having a flexible stake at some of these rates is definitely something you can't really find everywhere. So in order to use the flexible stake, just scroll to the asset that you want to stake, that you deposited, and you hit deposit, and you stake whatever you want to stake, and then hit continue. A fixed stake will allow you to stake a position for a certain period of time, depending on what you choose. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. So I'm going to stake 0.01 BTC for 12 months. Agree to the terms and create. Now they also have their flagship product, the Launchpool, which we will give you updates in future videos. Another thing that I like about Cryptonomy is the fact that they support up and coming projects, people that are in the Web3 space that just need funding. Basically being there to support the little guy. And that I respect. Now, with over 75,000 users worldwide, 50 assets, and over $41 million worth of interest earned, it's no wonder why thousands of people use them to grow their investment portfolios. If you guys are interested and want to learn more about this, feel free to use the link in the description. And thank you to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. Back to our regular programming. We see that it can go from $1 to $5 to $10 to $100, and even to $1,000 or $10,000. We've seen predictions even in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So it's definitely something to where I look at and I go, is that really going to happen with a $1 trillion market cap, $2 trillion market cap, $30 trillion market cap? Can that possibly happen? And honestly, it could. But the likelihood seeing these higher market caps is highly unlikely, but we're pushing for what these prices can be. So whatever the underlying prices will be, we see a benefit out of it either way. Anyways, let's get into this. I want to talk about XRP and look at what's happening with the position, and then just give my perspective on XRP to $149 that I keep seeing absolutely everywhere. So guys, currently XRP is up 3% just based on hitting its low point yesterday at this exact time. When you see a couple of hours roll by, or when this is actually uploaded, you'll see that it's probably more at break even unless XRP skyrockets and the crypto market skyrockets. But at that time, you'll see a 24-hour cutoff to where it's kind of flat. But currently it's at about 68 or almost 69 cents. up 3.4% at the time of recording. We are seeing a 36.9, almost $37 billion market cap with $2 billion worth of volume. So we're still seeing a decent size amount of volume. It's not something that has depleted a lot in the volume. We're seeing that increase there in the volume overall. When we look at the circulating supply, that's something that does get us worried when it comes to this overall price. And I think we'll have to factor that into, the overall prediction and where I believe that this will go. But 53 billion coins is a lot. And then having the rest that's in escrow, having an extra, almost 50 billion coins that's in escrow is still a lot to be added. It's added every single month. You're going to see a billion that's added every month. So when it comes to looking at this price movement and getting up to a level of $1, it could potentially be a $50 billion market cap, or it could be a $100 billion market cap, or technically $99.9 billion market cap at a level of $1. But we know it's not going to be 99 because they're releasing it every single month. So if anything does happen within the next year, you may see, 14 months, which means 14 billion coins will be added. So you'll be looking at $67 billion worth of a market cap if it does hit $1 during that time, which we believe in 2024, it will surpass that level. I'll tell you what my belief is and where that will go, in my opinion, in a couple of seconds. But let me know your opinion down below before we get into the rest of the video, where you believe that XRP will land overall, and if it will be at $100 or $149 or $1,000 or something of that nature. But if I had to weigh in on this, if I had to say, which you guys want me to, if I had to weigh in on this, I would tell you that my prediction of where this is going to go is under that $149 price point. Now, it doesn't mean that it's absolutely impossible, that it will never get to that point, because I understand the concept. I understand the connections between the pieces, but I want to create a realistic perspective for some of the investors, the early investors that are into it, and maybe they can take some profit with a 20x or 40x return. I mean, that would be phenomenal. Seeing a $10 or $20 price being at a 500 billion or 500 million to a $1 trillion market cap. Sorry, that's wrong. Switch it up. 500 billion to $1 trillion market cap. If we see that, then we know that that can get to a $10 and $20 price point. Now, I believe that that's a firm place for it, that that's where I stand with it, but know that I will still hold on to some after the fact because I know of what it can be, but not necessarily saying that it will be there, right? You want to make sure you protect people. I'm not saying that you'll obviously see it decrease back down to 50 cents once it does get up to $10 or $20, but protect people in, what they are hoping for, and maybe taking some profits and putting it into other plays, making cryptocurrency stronger overall. It's not necessarily just about XRP, but also about the entire crypto market, right? So people taking profit tend to reinvest that profit. And when they reinvest it, they put it into something else that they believe in, expanding the crypto market in a bigger way. So honestly, yes, I think it's possible, $149 to get to, or $1,000 to get to, but for that, patience is key. And in order to have patience, I think taking a slight bit of profits early on, not saying it has to be $2 or $3, but taking a slight bit of profit at a level that you feel is comfortable, maybe $5 or $10 or $20, will set you up for leaving it there and being patient when it does get to a point where it's looking like it's going to reach $149. That's my opinion, guys. I know some people may not be happy with it, but I think you have to have patience. 100%, you have to have patience. So guys, I'm going to get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to check out those links. And don't forget about my Rumble account. If you want to follow me on Rumble, definitely go ahead and do that. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.